If you're looking for screen recording software, you're in the right place. We're having a look at OBS and Loom. We want to know what they actually offer and which one you should be using. Alright, we're jumping into OBS now, and honestly, OBS is probably one of my favorite tools to use. Like, it's amazing. So, it's completely free, first of all, making it accessible for anybody that's on a budget. Being open source, it also allows for community-driven plugin development, which is fantastic. You can set up multiple scenes with different layouts, including overlays, screen captures, live camera feeds, and a whole bunch more. This is really ideal for streamers and presenters. OBS Studio is built for live streaming to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live. It offers high quality broadcast settings, and you can set all of these individual platforms up within OBS, which is fantastic. So you can go ahead and just set it up, and all you need to do is push start stream every single time you want to stream, and it's already set up. Also, you can control your audio levels for multiple sources in real time. It supports filters like noise suppression, gain adjustment, and a whole bunch more. Trust me, it's amazing. OBS Studio is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it versatile for pretty much every type of user. You can also leverage community created plugins, as I mentioned earlier on, to expand OBS's capabilities from advanced transitions to productivity boosting tools. One or two of the drawbacks, it may come as a surprise, but they have no editing tools. So OBS kind of lacks that built-in editing functionality, so you will need separate software to polish off your recordings. That is kind of the only one thing that I can really think of. Otherwise, OBS is amazing. Okay, so let's jump into Loom right now. Loom allows you to record your screen and camera with one simple click, making it perfect for tutorials, feedback, and instant communication. You can share recordings instantly via a link, or you can embed it, streamlining collaboration and your feedback process. It also offers transcriptions and captions. So auto-generated transcriptions facilitate easy search and accessibility options for viewers. Loom also records high-quality video, ensuring that your content looks professional literally on any device. There are no limits on storage or recording time, making it ideal for teams and individuals with extensive video content needs. One or two of their drawbacks is, unlike some of their competitors, Loom doesn't actually offer advanced video editing features, requiring you to rely on external software for more complex edits. Also, it's a little bit more expensive for larger teams, so if you're on a budget and you're in a team, maybe it's not the right choice. And there we go. If you are looking to stream, then one of these two choices will be a great fit for you. The takeaway is to go ahead and use multiple software suites to find out which is a best fit. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.